Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video on Monero cryptocurrency XMR, a crypto you can actually say it has been around for decades. We're actually talking about a movement right here since 2014. So this price prediction video correlates with the opening of 2024 year and aiming towards discovering what's happening right now on the charts of Monero, considering the fact that we have been participating in the last two major bull markets with Monero. It did perform quite well. We successfully did $420 on the bull market of 2017, as well performed very well by making the top, the all-time high on 475 in 2021. This cryptocurrency is successfully raising the bar by not going as low as in the previous bull market and taking it to this level, guys. So as you can see, the retracement from the high to this level has not been made once again in the same form, just like a lot higher by forming on the structure higher low, talking from the highest point. It all looks great with the necessity and ability to break out of the top of $500 for the future. 2024 will be a great year, 2025 as well for the crypto space. Looking forward to see what's happening in the price section for Monero. Before we get into the topic, for those of you that would like to follow me, we have a lot of the price predictions on daily. We have price predictions for 2024 episodes, just like this one, and I'm going to share with you more on the topic as well. If you would like to be part of my trades, if you would like to work with me, then you can participate. No upfront fees, only commission from the profits made. We have a $54,000 pure profitable trade going on here. On the BTC long, we have entered at a great price section of 41,262, 41,262 right there. You know, it's basically the ability for you to find out more here on our trading spreadsheet. Option number one is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. You give us trading permission and we perform it, we execute it. And then you also have the ability basically to join on signals base, which is where you handle the process. Option number one, which is only on commission based on profit and performance. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, guys. As well, we have the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there considering that the crypto space is capable of generating big numbers. Then you must learn about this one, especially if you'd like to become financial free, hit the market on the next bull run, which is a place where your weapons needs to be very well prepared. Let's talk about this once at the end of the presentation. Today we have our discussion portrayed around XMR, a cryptocurrency which has not been going around any form of major enthusiasm in 2023, considering we have been forming a top and a deviation in the in the triangle on the rally of the beginning of 2023 from the lows towards the top. Basically, what has been going on afterwards is just the range movement. We were sideways throughout the entire year with a capability of breaking out as of we speak with the 2024 movement. So we're actually aiming for the upcoming months to get into the area of 1.618 and 2 Fibonacci extensions as the first two targets. We do have a very, very good support in order to touch that coming from the golden pocket of the ranging structure. XMR Monero is not yet in a phase of the bull market. As soon as it's gonna be, you're going to definitely see this amongst the trendings and the great numbers out there. At the same time, you need to consider that the cryptocurrency has the ability to do this kind of movements of 30, 40, 50% in a couple of days, especially when it starts moving. Then it's pretty much aggressive. People remember about it. They used to know around the Monero, and they will get into this one, just like with the Litecoin and all the other cryptos that have been around for a while. They're not actually the ones that are just pumping out of the blue. They need a proper structure to follow, and they're doing it by the ones that are patient about it. So 173 is the current price, which is sitting very, very healthy on all the moving average lines. We are speaking about the 200 days, 100 days, 50 days, and 20 days that are portrayed very, very well right now above the golden pocket. At the same time, we get our resistance coming in from the supply level located between 170s and 180s. So it's quite of a high supply level right there, which is forming a large liquidity. But at the same time, you cannot expect to be any form different considering it is a supply dedicated for a very long period of time. We've been reacting on this one with bearish pressure quite a few times, and it's actually active since the beginning of 2022. So we almost have 2 years of activity of this level. The breakout is going to be substantial, which is why I'm aiming for 1.618 and 2 extension right there. We also got to take the liquidity out of this encircled area, which is how the pattern is portraying, and then fly from here basically to 2.618 and number 3 around Fibonacci. I'm actually looking for seeing that touch in 2024, especially in the first half of the year, the 2.618 and the 3 round numbers, which is close to $300 a piece for XMR. This is what we're actually considering for the moment, whether you would like to complete that in a, let me just put it this way. So we're gonna, whether you want to complete the movement in an Elliott wave impulse, right, generated. This is going to be the first impulse ending on number 2 to 35. Then you recreate a structure, you're playing around for a couple of months, and you're reestablishing your Elliott structure of continuation towards the number 3, which is going to be in the same structure. The 2.2, 272s and 41.4s are always zigzag areas in both scenarios that will keep you basically building liquidity and allow you to continue higher with the ultimate extension on a number 5 extension segment. So that's basically where we expect XMR for the upcoming period, guys. It looks beautiful. I mean, there's not many things to speak around it as a level of beginners that I can portray here on YouTube on technicals and price prediction. We're actually fine with the whole picture. The markets are in a bullish sentiment, in a bullish environment, which is why I'm not going to consider XMR that it's needing to retouch the lows. We have a lot of supports appearing in below us that is holding the structure, and it's just needing the triggering point, which will happen. I mean, no surprise out there. I'm sure the early of 2024 year is going to surprise a lot of the people out there, especially the holidays that are about to come in. We are having a great time, folks. Once again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we have a lot of the episodes on 2024 price predictions. You can check that out as well, including for you to join the trades. If you think this is something for you, you can outsource this. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made. Simple. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, and you can look at our spreadsheet and performance and the way it works. Jump on a quick call, see the other videos, examples of trades that I did, and you can look around the place, including the educational part, which is something I'd like to dedicate a minute right now. If you sort of a way believe that the crypto space is having the ability to scale your financial situation to a very high level, considering how the market is entering in a bull market phase, then you obviously need to have the proper skills and knowledge and take this very seriously. Do not trade like you would gamble. Do not expect to make money from a space which is very difficult by not having the proper knowledge on the topic. I'm sort of a way of raising the alarm and telling you that the price of education is heavy, and the price of mistake is as well even more costly. There is no bigger mistake than having the opportunity of reaching something at a very high level and missing the chance of a such bull market which is about to come. So for those of you that are actively participating in the market, whether we talk about part-time or full-time, and you would like to reach something total different, then you need dedication. Check out the video in order to see how does it work. It's a one-on-one coaching with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade in a nutshell. In a sort of a form where we are sharing the live perspective of the market. We're doing the live technical analysis. We're trading as well. We're doing homework exercises, and I'm sort of a way explaining to you how to understand the language of the market. I'm teaching you all the concepts, strategies, and indicators that are needed to perform on the market. So it's a complete coaching program. It's a comprehensive way. Register now to find out more. Check out the video as well. Qualify for a free conversation with me. Get on the topic if you're serious about it, and have a good time, folks. We talk to you soon.